Metal fabrication is tough business, and Industrial Welding and Tool Rental Limited brings over 30 years of experience to your job. We fabricate from the smallest metal product to heavy-duty machinery, from burglar bars to commercial steel structures. Industrial Welding and Tool Rental Limited is the solution to your metal problem. Our machines roll, bend, cut, punch and twist metal to suit your need. Call us and get your metal into shape. Industrial Welding and Tool Rental Limited. Telephone number 452-1945 or 520-8849.